Hello guys, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates guys. Para sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Ayan. And meron akong available na tarot reading, astrological reading, palm reading. Pwede ka mamili doon ha. Doon sa aking TikTok shop. Pero ano lang siya, parang limited lang kung ilan lang yung available na bracelet na naandoon. So, sana makahabol ka, makaabot ka. Ayan. Recorded ang video, so pwede mong i-download at saka dito ko sa YouTube i-upload. Pero naka-ano siya, naka-private naman siya, ikaw lang makakanood. So, it's like a VIP. Naka-sale pa siya for only $699. Okay? So, let's start. This is for the sign of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Message is here. Judication. Ayan. Ito yung main energy mo, water sign, ha? For what I can see here, ayan, bottom of the deck is the marriage. Anong tawag doon? Nawala tuloy sa isip ko. Yeah, okay, nagets ko na. Nakuha ko na. Yung nakukuha ko kasing card dito is the card of judgment, you know. And the card of judgment sa tarot reading, it's talking about, you know, parang pagdating sa maybe sa spirituality, medyo parang ano ka na, open ka na, no? Pagdating sa spirit guides mo, ayan, pwedeng nakikinig ka na sa kanila or what, and if you see an angel number, kinukuha mo na to as a guide. Kumbaga, lalo na ikaw ay nanonood din ng mga tarot readings, kumbaga, yun nga, parang kahit papano open ka na sa mga messages. Kasi yung message dito is like message of your spirit guides towards you, no? And nakikita natin na before, in the past, ang dami mong question, pero ngayon, kumbaga parang nakukuha natin ito as like, marami ka na kasi rin natutunan. Lalo na sa kakapanood mo, kaka-research mo about this, about spirituality and so on and so forth. Nakita natin na nagiging creative ka na pagdating sa mga message ng universe, ng mga angel guides and spirit guides mo sa'yo. Okay? What I do like about this is that nagiging align lahat eh. Pati yung sa home, I can see a home, a family, wherein nakikita natin na pwede nagkakaroon ng pagkakaayos, pagkakalapit, pagiging maganda, pagiging peaceful na place, no, where you live in. Like, maybe in your home, in your house, nandun yung, could be your parents or yung mga kapatid mo, pwede nagkakaroon ng pagkakaayos. Ayan. So, nakakita tayo ng mga ganon. And, might be, yan, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng napapalapit ka pagdating sa iyong mother, or kung hindi man, maybe children, you know, if there's children in your home. And, nakakita tayo ng better communication. Not only doon sa mga taong yun, pwedeng sa mga kapatid din. And, whether nasa loob sila ng iyong tahanan or nasa loob ng or nasa malayo, nakakita tayo ng magandang connection and communication sa inyo. Okay, nakakita tayo diyan ng katiwasayan. And it is because maybe mas nagiging mas open ka sa kanila, and kung ano man yung mga message nila, it's like buong puso mo rin namang tinatanggap kung ano yung mga sinasabi or binabanggit nila sa'yo. And I can see a person na parang maybe in the past, parang naiirita ka dito sa taong to, yung parang I don't know if it's part of your family, pero some of you, oo, part of your family, na parang nakakainis, ganito, ganyan. Kapag nagsalita siya or what, parang naiirita ka, ganun. But then, pwedeng nare-realize mo na yung sinasabi niya kahit papano nakakatulong sa'yo. Okay? Kahit papano, maybe it has something to do with religion, no? Or mga philosophy niya, or kung maybe regarding career, pwedeng ganun. So, kahit papano, napagnilay-nilay mo rin na kahit papano itong taong 'to, okay, may point naman siya dun sa mga sinasabi niya, parang gano'n. So, umayon na rin, na-gets mo? And maybe in the past you are more on a mysterious side. Unti-unti kong nakikita na unti-unti mong nilalabas yon, or hindi ka na nagiging mas, maybe may mga maaaring nga in the past punong-puno ka ng sikreto, you're trying to hide something, um, may mga, you know, about security, yeah, pwedeng may mga secrets or may mga private ka na iniisip, but I can see now na parang mas open ka na regarding dito sa bagay nito. And the marriage here is like yung union na nakikita natin, or yung pagka-align mo pagdating sa path mo, dahil unti-unti mo nang tinatanggap or ina-accept itong mga judgment ng ibang tao sa'yo. Okay? Whether they are family, friends, or group of people na basta doon ka lang sa gusto mo, tahimik lang, matiwasay lang. Now, let's move on to the person that you are dealing with. Person na kakonect mo for the sign of water sign. This is love reading, guys. So, yeah. Kukunin ko yung energy ng person mo. House is here, gift is here. Thoughts. Okay. Okay. I feel like there's this person. Iniisip ko na itong taong to. You do have your thoughts. So, this person is thinking of you. Pwedeng hindi siya okay ngayon with the bad health. Like, there's this mature woman, pero itong mature woman is like a person sa paligid niya na parang kinokontrol siya. Gawin mo to, wag mong gawin yan, gawin mo to, like pathway, this is like yung person mo na pwedeng may nagsasabi sa kanya or nagdidikta sa kanya kung ano dapat niyang gawin, etc. And hindi siya masaya doon kasi para siyang para siyang napipigilan, or it is showing to me as the privileged lady. So, yung privileged lady, ito parang, kung makikita mo yung picture, it's like parang senyorita, Pero, senyorita na parang pinag-i-strictuhan. Yun yung nakukuha nating message doon. Like, pwedeng may nagdidikta sa kanya. And the house, yan, I can see the gate. So, sobrang close ang gate nitong person na to. Pwedeng, this person wants to give you something with the gift. Or, kung hindi give yon na something special, could be a message na gusto niyang ibigay sa'yo or sabihin sa'yo. It is very special message din. If it's a message, it's something special na talagang matatouch ka. No? It will touch your heart, your mind, and pwedeng taliwas ito sa kung ano yung ipinapakita niya. And, yan. Ayun nga, nakakita ko ng kultura or religion na pwedeng pinaniniwalaan itong person na to or tradisyon. So, maybe, ito yung isa sa nakaka-apekto kung bakit pwedeng yung sa communication ninyo, hanggang isip lang muna siya ngayon. Dahil sa paligid niya, ayan. And I don't know what's the exact situation here, pero it could be anything. Kung sino man itong mga tao na nagdidikta sa kanya, no? Na nakakakita tayo ng cross yung parang boundaries or hadlang sa inyong connection, ay nakikita natin na wala siyang magawa doon kasi talagang like gustuhin man niyang i-end, no? May mga limitasyon na mahirap i-end sa ngayon. Okay? I feel like this person is takot sa karma. Yan. May ganong klaseng tao. Anyway, ano yung emotion ninyo sa isa't isa nitong taong to? Medyo nagiging maingat ako, particularly sa card na to. Kasi, actually, this is my favorite card. One of my favorite. Marami akong paborito. Kaya lang, may isang card kasi dito na talagang, ano siya medyo na-fold na siya. So, sira siya ng konti. But anyway, gusto ko yung image. So, pinagtsatsagaan ko. Iniingatan ko na lang yung pagsha-shuffle. So, medyo pagpasensyahan mo na siya. The Wheel of Fortune is here. This is with regards to your emotion. Wheel of Fortune, Death card. Clarify this, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. Ten of Coins, Ten of Cups, and the Five of Swords. The Strength card is at the bottom of the deck. Okay, you're making changes, and the Death card is about ending, followed by the Ten of Coins. So, 10, 10. So, dalawang 10 na yan. So, number 10 is an ending number. Okay? Sa numerology, it means completion. And with the Five of Swords, this is like changes, no? And I feel like ang ginagawa mo dito is that pwedeng ini-end mo ang something sa emotion mo pagdating dito sa person na to. Maybe, dalawa lang yan Either you are being more open dito sa person na to, kasi the Strength card is someone na parang nagkakaroon ng lakas ng loob. Parang, ay nako, bahala siya kung anong sasabihin ng mga naglilimit na to or whatsoever. Basta makikipag-connect or communicate ako sa taong to, parang ganun. Because I see this connection na pwedeng mapunta siya ng deeper level of connection or magkakaroon ng higher level of connection. I don't know, some of you want sex, no? And for some of you, pwedeng may communication kayo because of work, because of money. The Ten of Cups is, the Ten of Coins is here. Basta, the Ten of Cups, pwedeng you do love this person, or sabihin na natin, pwedeng ina-attract mo siya or na-attract mo siya, parang ganun. Ina-attract in a way na pwedeng hinuhumaling, ganun. You want this person to like you, ganun. And, or, basta, some of you, you're being open. Regardless kung ano sasabihin ng iba. So, parang wala ka nang pakialam. With the Five of Swords, nangyari na or nagkaroon na ng sitwasyon sa'yo wherein ginudge ka na ng tao. Kumbaga, itong magiging reaction nitong taong to or i-judge ng mga nasa paligid niya, wala ka nang pakialam kasi, dumating ka na sa point na pinaka-down. No? Marami ka na natutunan. And I feel like, especially may mga signs nga na nagpapakita sa'yo and you're using those signs as like, may nakikita ko dito, medyo bumaba yung reputasyon nila or medyo sanay ka na, no, na napapagchismisan or what, and you don't care anymore. What you want is, to have fun, to be more creative, and i-open ang connection with this person regardless kung may mga makikitid ang utak, So, anong emotion ng taong ito towards you? Some of you, nakakita ko dito ng member ng LGBTQIA+. So, might be that is one of the, reason. Ten of Swords, Three of Swords, Eight of Coins. Eight of Coins. Clarify the Three of Swords and the Five, and the Ten of Swords. Actually, tatlong 10 yung nagpakita, Clarify the Three of Swords and the Ten of Swords, please. Okay, you do have here the King of Wands and the Temperance. And actually, nakuha ko yung energy ng reversal dito. I don't usually read in reversal. Babasahin ko lang talaga siya na reversal pag naramdaman ko. And naramdaman ko siya dito. So, I will read this in reversal. And you do have here the Ace of Cups. Magsasalita na sana ako, kaya lang, hindi ko talaga maiwasan. Dahil lang nagpapakita sa akin, sa visualization ko, kasi may kine-create akong deck, no? May ginagawa akong personal deck ko siya. Hindi pa siya tapos, kaya hindi ko pa siya ginagamit. But I just felt the feeling of I need to use it now. Hindi pa siya tapos, pero medyo marami-rami na rin naman yung message dito. Ito yung mga nagawa ko na message or deck. So, I feel like may message para sa'yo dito. So, I will use this dito sa side ng person mo. Kasi dito ko siya nakita. Okay, Spirit guides, Angel guides, what is the message here? I-shuffle ko lang konti, guys, ha? Hindi ko pa siya balak gamitin. Kailan na lang nagpapakita siya sa aking visualization habang ako ay nagsasalita. Ayan. Wait lang. Parang may nagbaliktad, but, hindi ko siya makita. Tell me about this. Yeah, you do have here kaibigan. Yan, kaibigan. Natutuwa ako sa deck na itong ginawa ko kasi may mga times dito na pwede siyang may reversal, pwedeng hindi, and may mga times na talagang wala naman. So, kaibigan. So, if this is like this, it's kaibigan. No? There's a lot of memories of you and this person. Maybe you are friends. Pero nakabaliktad siyang ganyan. So, it's, yeah, some of you pwedeng may mga memories kayo nitong person na to. Like, pwedeng magkaibigan kayo. But, ito ay kaibigan. So, there's a lot more than magkaibigan. It's more than friends kind of energy. And, there's emotion there, no? And at the bottom of the deck, nakikita natin na nagsisisi ako. So, might be itong person na to is nagsisisi siya sa mga naging decision niya in the past or sa mga hindi niya ginawa in the past. I feel like with the Three of Swords, sobrang nasasaktan itong person na to regarding sa ending na nangyari sa inyo, and lalo na with the Tower at the bottom of the deck. And I don't know, some of you with the Justice card, maybe it has something to do with career or marriage, kasi Justice card is something na legal. So, pwedeng marriage yon, pwedeng career. And, I feel like itong person na ito, lalo na, you do have here, career muna, busy. So, pwedeng this person left you in the past. So, pwedeng umalis siya, lumayo siya. And nagsisisi din siya sa part na yun eh. Kasi, dapat naghintay muna daw siya. The energy with the Temperance is dapat naghintay na muna ako ng konti pa. Parang ganon. And, why? Because this person, mahal kita, sobra. So, this is the emotion of your person. Mahal ka niya, especially at the bottom of the deck. Din naman dito is Ace of Cups. So, mahal ka talaga nitong person na to. Pero, the Three of Swords is showing as a third party kind of energy. And, gusto ko sanang kausapin ka, pero hindi ko alam ang sasabihin ko sa'yo. So, maybe if there's messages sa inyo nitong person na to, or may pag-uusap, pwedeng hindi siya kasi ganun ka-open. Dahil hindi niya alam kung anong sasabihin niya sa'yo. Okay? So, sana may nakuha ka sa message na ito. Okay. And, what will happen in the future for the both of you? May nararamdaman ako parang feeling na lasing. I don't know, or drowsy because maybe may ininom kang gamot or what. What will happen in the future for the both of you? You do have here the 3 of Wands, 8 of Wands, 4 of Coins, and the 8 of Swords. The High Priestess, Ace of Swords, the Queen of Swords, and the World. Okay. Knight of Cups is at the bottom of the deck. And you do have your family room. Clarify the family room. Coffin. And kukuha ko ng card mula sa deck na ito ulit. You do have your Evil Eye. And you do have your Hindi Tayo Pwede. I want to clarify the Hindi Tayo Pwede. There's union is near and paano. So the way I see this is that I feel like pagdating sa connection ninyo ng person na ito, medyo mahihirapan na magkaroon ng, you know, although the union is near, kaya lang ang tanong is paano? Because the problem is yung third person or might be yung nagiging law or batas or nagiging problem dito sa connection ninyo, which is could be a third party situation, could be family or tradition. The World is pagkakalayo, pag distance, you know, sa inyong dalawa. And nagko-continue pa rin yung the High Priestesses could be spiritual connection sa inyo ng person na to. Na oo, sige, may angel guides, may mga guide para sa iyo, a lot of drama here, a lot of like spirit kind of energy, spiritual connection. The 3 of Wands, this is you na nandun pa rin yung pagkamis or pag-iisip mo dito sa taong to. But with the 4 of Coins, you know, marami ka pang dapat asikasuhin or dapat intindihin. And the 8 of Swords, I feel like ito rin yung nagiging, you know, it's like imprisonment here with the paano and the 8 of Swords. So parang ikaw ay nakakulong or may boundaries pa rin sa'yo. Like, pwedeng ikaw ay may mga kailangan pang unahin regarding money, regarding loans, regarding yeah, I can see limitations. And false person, may mga biglaang taong dumadating sa buhay ninyo na pwedeng nagiging dahilan para mas lalong magkaroon ng pagkakalayo, no? You do have your Snake. So, these are other people. Particularly yung iba, related ito sa sa third party situation. So, may pagkakalayo. The person here with the Queen of Swords, I feel like some of you, hindi lahat pwedeng gumawa ng movement. Yung iba. And you do have your Evil Eye. Pero, the Evil Eye is like may pag-iingat. So, Knight of Cups, yung iba, there's an offer of reconciliation with the 3 of Cups. Pero i-clarify natin, ano yung maaaring action nitong person na ito in the future. Twin flame is here. So, this is not for everyone. Itong part na to ay hindi para sa lahat. Kasi with the twin flame, this is a twin flame connection. Limited lang yon. Doon sa iba, nag-end na yung reading mo dito. Okay, nag-end na dito. Na itong person na to is may pagkakalayo, may pag-iwas, pwede nga na paglayo or imposible, you know. Kung meron siyang ika-cut off, the Queen of Swords is like cutting off energy. Pwedeng may kinalaman yun sa Ace of Swords, which is yung pag-iisip sa'yo. Like, pipigilan niya sarili niyang isipin ka. Pero some of you, if this is a twin flame connection, nakita tayo ng offer of a reconciliation sa inyong dalawa. Tell me about this. What's with the twin flame? Kasi ayokong mag-expect yung iba. So, you do have your karmic relation. Wow! Guys, karmic relationship and soulmate. And you do have here, umaasa pa ako na babalik ka. Ang dami kong tanong. So, I feel like etong person na to ay regardless kung some of you this is a twin flame, some of you this is a soulmate, some of you this is a karmic relationship. Diba? Ang gulo. Saan ka doon? Okay? You would know naman. Mararamdaman mo naman yun. And there's this energy na karmic relationship in a way na kasi nag-let go ka na eh. Hinayaan mo na lang. Kaya lang bumalik yung tao. So, dahil bumalik yung tao, maybe this is your twin flame, maybe this is your soulmate. Okay. Doon na lang tayo sa, especially nakikita ko yung energy, yung planet of Pluto. So, planet of Pluto is about, the planet of Pluto. Yung Pluto kasi yung pinakamalayong planet yon. So, pwedeng minsan na lumayo itong person na to. Or may pagkakalayo pa kayo hanggang ngayon. So, doon tayo. Now, itong person na to, dahil doon, marami siyang questions. So, this person is coming back kasi hindi siya natatahimik doon sa mga gusto niyang malaman sa'yo. And or sa connection ninyo. And I feel like itong person na to, umaasa pa ako na babalik ka. Which is, yung sa connection ninyo, umaasa pa siya na may something pa. Yan. There's the picture of hope, yeah. So, hoping pa itong taong ito. And, eto, pangalawang beses na ito nagpakita sa akin. This is Justice card. And the busy career muna. Definitely, sa iba sa inyo, pwede may pagkakalayo because of career. Yan. Hirap na ako. So, this person is not happy doon sa kung nasaan siya, and at the same time, hindi siya masaya na hindi niya nasasagot yung mga katanungan na ito, at hindi siya masaya na wala ka. So, this person with the Justice card might tell you the truth. Kasi the Justice card is about the truth. No? Gusto ko malaman kung tungkol saan yung sasabihin na itong person na to. Okay. I will get more cards dito sa part na ito. Please clarify this, please. You do have your lagi kita naaalala. I don't know about you guys. Itong person na to, kasi masyado siyang litong-lito eh. There's this possibility na itong person na to, umarte siya, like, as a friend. You do have your kaibigan. So, the Justice card, pwedeng dumating itong taong ito sa'yo as a friend, no? While you do have your move on, so while moving on from something, and move on, for me, it looks like pag, ano to? Pag-travel or, yeah, I can see the chariot. So, maybe pag-travel or paglapit. Like, I can see this wheel, no? And some of you, itong person na ito ay pwedeng mag-travel. And then, let me clarify this card bago ko buksan. Yeah, maleta is here. So, maleta is about pagta-travel. So, some of you, itong person na ito might travel. But we do have here the snake and masaya na ako. What's with this, please? I can see possible pagta-travel, but yung, you know, there's this energy na may sagabal pa rin. Yan. And, I don't know which side, honestly. I don't know which side. Kasi yung masaya na ako, that could be coming from you. So, pwede dumating itong person na ito while you are already happy, while you are already with the snake. You know? So, or could be the other way around. Pwedeng sa kanyang side yon. So, honestly, sa part na ito, I cannot tell. And, this is actually songs ng OPM or, ayun, may naligaw lang, may nailigaw lang ako na flowers, which is kanta yun ni Miley Cyrus. Pero, nung unang paglapag nung card, ang una kong nakitang kanta is itong mahal ko o mahal ako. So, there's this choices na hindi ko alam kung kanino manggagaling yan. That could be your side or sa side niya. Aquarius energy. No? Yun. So, I can see may iba sa pagdating ng taong to. Pero some of you pwedeng sa side mo. Kasi why? Kasi nandito yung move on eh. So, itong person na to, nabanggit ko sa'yo kanina, maybe he or she is currently on a stage or in the future, pagbalik niya sa buhay mo, nasa stage siya na siya ay nag-move on. And, yeah, could be there's an ending dun sa side niya. Pero, ang tanong sa side mo, paano? What if you are already happy? Okay? Kumbaga, may chance pa ba tong taong to? Parang ganun. So, nasa sayo na yan. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam PTV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines. Sana na-appreciate mo yung reading. And matutuwa ako kung anong comment mo dito sa aking cards na ginawa. Pang sarili itong cards or personal na gagamitin ko lang dito sa ating channel, sa mga channel na ginagamit ko. So, hopefully mag-like ka, mag-subscribe ka. I love you guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.